Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. This video will inspire you, so watch the video until the end. Get inspiration. Have you ever seen a beautiful home and wonder why it feels so warm and inviting, even though nothing looks expensive? What if I told you that one of the biggest decorating secrets is made from a simple piece of wood? Most people spend hundreds of dollars buying new decorations, but they completely overlooked one easily woodworking idea that can transform almost any room. The best part is that you don't need a big workshop, expensive tools, or a year of experience. Today, we are sharing a simple woodworking invitation and innovation that is affordable, creative, and surprisingly useful. Once you see it, you will start looking at leftover wood in a completely different way. Let's start. Look at scrap wood in a new way. Stop thinking of a leftover wood as a waste. Every small piece that has potential to become something beautiful. Even the shortest cuts of can become useful home decoration. Sometimes the smallest idea makes a big difference. Great decorating often starts with simple materials. Build something that solves small problems. Think about little, everyday problems around your home. Maybe your keys are always missing. Maybe your plants need a better place to stay. Maybe your kitchen counters feels cluttered. A simple wooden creation can solve these problems while making the room look better. Beautiful decoration can also be useful. Keep the design simple. You don't need complicated shapes. Clear lines often look more modern. Simple projects are easier to build and easier to decor with. A smooth finishes and natural wood grain already creates a beautiful look. Sometimes less real is more. Let natural wood become the decoration. Wood already has beautiful color and patterns. Every piece is different. Small marks and grains line gives a character. Instead of hiding the wood, let it become the main attention. Nature already has created that artwork. Make one project that works in every room. Imagine one wooden piece that looks good almost everywhere. It could sit in the kitchen, it could decorate the bathroom, it could brighten a bedroom, it could become the centerpiece of your living room. Wood design works in every different places. Mix wood with everyday decorations. Add candles to create a cozy feelings. Place a small planter inside your wooden project. Stack a few books underneath. Add a small vase or picture frame. Small decoration work even better together. You don't need expensive accessories. Give old wood a second life. Old wood does not have to stay old. A little cleaning can completely change its appearance. Light standing can reveal beautiful natural colors. Small imperfections add charm instead of reducing value. Reusing wood saves money and creates something unique. Personalize your creations. Add your own style. Choose the size that fits your home. Leave the wood natural or add your favorite color. Every handmade project tells a different story. Your home should reflect your personality. Decorate without spending a fortune. Beautiful homes does not always have expensive furniture. Many stylish space use simple handmade decorations. One thoughtful project can change the feeling of an entire room. Small improvements often has the biggest value impact. Creativity is more valuable than a large budget. The real secret most people never think. The secret is not buying more decoration. The secret is creating one meaningful piece yourself. Handmade wooden decoration brings warmer than store-bought item often can't. Every project becomes part of your home story. A simple piece of wood can completely change how a room feels. That's the real power of woodworking. If this project sparked your creativity, imagine what's coming next. Subscribe now and share this video with some family and friends who are loving woodworking and decorative ideas. Let's home decor fun. Let's make home decor fun and easy for everyone. One small wood piece can change an entire room. You don't need to fill a room with decorations. One beautiful handmade wooden piece can become the center of attention. It naturally draws people's eyes the moment they walk in. Simple designs often have the biggest impact. That's why professional decorators rarely overcrowded a space. Start with you already have. Before buying any materials, look around your garage or workshop. Old shelves, broken furniture, and leftover board can become something completely new. Even pieces that look worn out still have the hidden beauty. A little creativity can turn forgotten wood into favorite project. A smooth wood always looks more expensive. One of the easiest upgrades is creating a smooth finish. Take your time and make every surface pleasant to touch. Rounded edges instantly give a project a softer, more professional appearance. Small finishings detail make a huge difference. Mix different shapes of wood. Light and dark wood look beautiful together. The contrast creates depth and intention and interest. Even if the wood does not perfect, combining different color creates a custom look. Nature already provides an amazing color palette. Build something people will actually use. Decorations are wonderful, but useful decorations are even better. Think about creating something that makes everyday life easier. Functional projects are often the one people admire the most. Beautiful and useful is always a winning combination. Handmade always feels more personal. Store-bought decors look like everyone else. Handmade project tells your story. Every cut, every corner, and every detail reflects your creativity. That's what makes handcrafted decor so special. Small projects build a big confidence. Every experienced woodworker started with something simple. One small success leads to another. Before long, you will finish yourself building projects that never imagined possible. Every project teaches something new. Let natural imperfection becomes beautiful feature. Knocks, gray lines, and small marks add character. They remind us the wood came from nature. These details make every project unique. Perfect is not always more beautiful. Decor with layers. More looks even better when paired with simple accessories. Combine your project with candles. Add a small plant. Include a worn basket or ceramic vase. Layering creates warmth without making a room feel crowded. Keep the colors calm. Natural colors never go out of style. Natural wooden workers beautifully with white, green, cream, black and softened green. Calm colors create relaxing space. Simple color choices make handmade wood stand out. Don't rush the creative process. Great projects are not finished in a hurry. Enjoy every step along the way. Sometimes the most satisfying part is watching the project slowly come together. Patience creates better results. Think like a designer. Before building anything, imagine where it will live. Picture how it fits into your room. Think about balance, size, and simplicity. Great woodworking starts with great planning. Create a home that feels warm. Warm decor naturally makes room feel comfortable. It adds texture that soften finishings alone cannot provide. Even modern homes become more welcoming the natural materials. Warm space makes people want to stay longer. Handmade decorations never go out of style. Trends come and go. Good craftsmanship lasts for years. Trends come and go. Good craftsmanship lasts for long years. Simple woodwork projects continue looking beautiful, no matter how decorating style change. Timeless design is always worth building. The greatest innovation is your creativity. The real innovation is not the wood itself, it's the way you choose to use it. One idea can inspire 10 more. One small project can lead to a lifelong hobby. The next amazing decoration could begin with the smallest piece of wood sitting in your workshop today. So, remember, beautiful homes are built one thoughtful project at a time. You don't need expensive furniture or professional tools to create something amazing. Start small, keep learning, keep creating. Every project makes your skill a little stronger. Every piece of wood holds the possibility of becoming something beautiful. So, if today's video inspired you, give it a like and share it with someone who loves woodworking or home decoration. Subscribe for more simple woodworking ideas, creative woodcraft projects, budget-friendly home decor inspiration, and easy DIY builds. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next woodworking adventure. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.